It melts in your mouth. It melts in your mouth.
Why did this man, who traveled 460 miles, say these words? Let's listen.
Oh, yeah. You hear that, folks?
If this has no crunch, I'm quitting YouTube, okay? Okay, let's see. Self-proclaimed crunch master never disappoints.
That's good. Not too hard, not too soft. Crazy. Damn. It melts in your mouth. It melts in your mouth. This is delicious. This rice is off the chain.
Pernil?
Juicy. Melts in your mouth. This is magical. I think you outdid yourself on this one. Cause.
All right, there you go.
Potato salad, yo. For the potato salad.
Yo. You know what? The crazy part about this, I don't even eat potato salad, but I'm going to get some more. Can I get some more? Please.